Generative AI has enormous potential to redefine how work is done and unlock significant business productivity. The real power of this technology is when AI can analyze and act on the most valuable data from a company's most trusted resources, which is its own internal knowledge. Slack GPT is a conversational AI platform of the future, helping organizations easily tap into their trusted customer data and essential employee knowledge so they can work smarter and make smarter decisions faster. That is why Salesforce has introduced Slack AI, adding AI generated channel recaps, thread summaries, and smart search to Slack. These features aim to streamline communication and enhance productivity in the workspace. Salesforce's objective is to make Slack a one stop solution for enterprise communication and work management, integrating AI powered features with workflow tools. Now, these days, Salesforce is doing a winter pilot, and then the rollout or the release of this Slack AI suite will be next year in early 2024. Also, the, this is going to not only be confined to AI summaries, but it will also be doing natural language search. I hope that you found it interesting. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.